video is currently going viral on TikTok, and the reason has left everyone speechless. A few days ago, Charli and her friends recorded a TikTok video wearing their Coachella outfits. Initially, everything seemed normal, but as they continued to dance and Charli got closer to the screen, viewers noticed her dress was see-through. Obviously, I can't show the full original picture here, but if you want to see the video, click on the sound I'm using in this video to find it. The see-through dress was very revealing, and people are shocked that Charli allowed her friend to upload it on TikTok. I'm surprised the video is still up, but it's causing a lot of buzz.